Well, I'm going to do a updated toolbox tour. Haven't done one in about a year, so going to start this off. Up top, we got my Milwaukee charger. Got my Snap-on 14.4 chargers. Snap-on 18-volt chargers. Snap-on light. Harbor Freight work lights. Top drawer, sockets. Snap-on 3/8. Snap-on 3/8 and shallow. Metric, Mac, and Snap-on 1/4 inch. Snap-on 1/4 inch. Mac 1/4 inch back there, and some 1/4 inch impact swivels. My 1/2 inch torque wrench, long 3/8. Impact 1/2 inch, chrome 1/2 inch, don't ever use. See, I'm all missing back there. I don't hardly ever use any of that shit. Impact 3/8, missing one. It's a 1/2 inch metric, 3/8 impact, 3/8 hex bits, 3/8 impact swivels. You guys know what all this is. I don't know why I have to explain. Torques, Snap-on torques, and gear wrench, 1/2 inch hex. Other top drawer, crow's feet, Snap-on impact, 1/2 inch, 3/8 and 1/4 inch ball hex, metric and standard. Super shallow, Snap-on, metric set. Extensions, 3/8, a couple 1/2 inch. Some of my tools are in my work truck right now, but so some things might be missing. 3/8 set. Wrenches, Flank Drive Plus, standard set, metric set, Flank Drive Plus, some Blue Point ratcheting wrenches, and some more sizes up to 7/8 in here. Snap-on files, Snap-on tap and die set in there. Snap-on Allen wrenches, punches and chisel set, extra long punch set, and some more punches and stuff back here. Some more Allen wrenches, pin punches and such. Snap-on screwdriver set, stubbies, Snap-on pick set, Snap-on little screwdriver set, Snap-on seal removers, ratchet drawer, money drawer, 1/2 inch drive, Snap-on ratchet, shorter 1/2 inch drive, Snap-on 3/8 Snap-on, Snap-on 100th anniversary ratchets. Got the 3/8 and the 1/4 here. Extra long. Got a few ratchets, not too many, few. Flare wrenches and metric, Snap-on. Ratcheting wrenches. Cordless tools. We got this old thing that, I guess it's still worth money, but oh well. drills. I can't talk for some reason today, but still gonna make this video. Polisher and sander. CT 761 impact and long neck and short neck ratchets and a couple lights. I got the Milwaukee 1/2 inch. It's a lot better than this thing in my work truck, but that's mostly what I'm working out of. But shop's slow today, so I figured I'd make a video. Snap-on Sawzall, Snap-on saw blades, Milwaukee saw blades, extractor set and left-hand drill bit set, and some magnetic Milwaukee bits, Milwaukee M18 battery, some scrapers and some ladies' feet, pry bars, plier drawer, vice grips, Snap-on pliers, and test light, those hose clamp pliers, bigger wrenches, some compression gauge set, Snap-on power probe, Snap-on battery tester, Snap-on snap ring plier set, Blue Point bit set, and a puller. Die grinder, 1/2 inch Napa air gun, Snap-on air hammer. This thing's a freaking beast. Snap-on air hammer bits, Ingersoll Rand 1/2 inch hammers, sander, C-clamp, strap wrench for big truck fuel filters and oil filters, clutch alignment tool, and some pullers. Bigger wrench, saw, a couple things down there. This is a Lyle tool for your air hammer. It goes on there for fans. Going over here to this little toolbox. Snap-on 3/8 drive torque wrench. Snap-on soldering iron. Snap-on torch. Dollar General torch. Snap-on tape. Snap-on trim tool. Mac trim tool. Brake spring tool. Valve core tool. Radiator hose picks. Long trim tool. Torque set. Some other screwdrivers. Electric drawer. Milwaukee right angle. Screw gun or drill, but it's pretty freaking slow. Thread chaser. Snap-on Solus. Just some random radios and stuff from farm equipment. I'm gonna walk over here. Got my Snap-on creeper seat and Snap-on creeper. Over here we got my Blue Point roll cart, and Snap-on cabinet and Vulcan welder. That's about it. Tell me what you think. Probably do a pickup toolbox tour, service track tour. Let me know what you guys think.